Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video titles guys, how can we set get default button layout in Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to set guys your Infinix phone phone button layout setting. So how can you set it guys your default button layout? So friends, you can see guys my back button is here, and guys I want here my default button layout. So how can I set and how can I use this button layout setting? So friends, open your phone setting and guys click on guys your phone system setting guys. We will click on guys Infinix phone system setting guys. Tap here guys, click on guys your phone system navigation guys, click on more setting, and first you can see guys your button layout. So I first get default layout and guys second is change. So as you can see back button is here, and we will set here. You can see guys, now we can back from here. We can use guys this default button layout style in Infinix phone device. So like that guys, you can set guys your button default layout. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.